Ethereum has begun its descent along with the rest of the crypto market here after rejecting off of the ascending resistance line on this broadening triangle pattern. In this video, I'm going to let you know where I think Ethereum's going next with technical analysis. Now later in the video, you will be seeing me use this live chart, including the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. And I want to let you know you can get up to $450 off these indicators right now at the links in the description. More on that later, but for now, let's jump into the video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Here we are on the tradeconfident.io website, scrolling down to Ethereum to check out the metrics. The first metric that we're going to be looking at is the Ethereum Emotional Index, and we've seen that as we've pushed into excited, we've almost immediately rejected with the price dropping quickly. Now, the only question at this point is how far will this price drop? And most often when we do reach excited, it's pretty normal to see drops in the market as we see here, pretty much whenever we reach into excited territory is where we're seeing those moves down. Now, on the Ethereum long versus short trades chart, we did see over the past few days when this pump happened, we saw short trades exit the market and long trades very slightly increase. Not much has changed since then, but I think it will take a little bit of time for this price movement to happen for this to adjust. Next up is the Ethereum whale smart money metric, and we're seeing as of right now, whales are feeling very strongly towards short trade sentiment right here with these orange bars to the downside. Typically, we're looking for a metric value of around -800 before we're really truly seeing those big moves down, and it looks like we're pretty close to that. Next up is the Ethereum volatility breakout detector here, and I don't think it's any surprise that we are sitting in extremely high volatility for Ethereum after this giant move up. This is the fourth day in a row above high volatility, and I think if we do see a little bit of sideways movement here, which is pretty typical after big moves, you can see big move up, sideways movement, big move down, a little bit of sideways movement. It's pretty normal. So with that, I think we could see a lower volatility coming soon. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance levels, and we have rejected structural resistance at $1,714 and on our way back down. The next major support at this point is $1,462, and it may be kind of difficult, but I wouldn't be shocked to see a move all the way to that direction. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner, and as the price drops here, right on this candle, I wouldn't be shocked to see a sell signal, and if we do, this could be a very good place to exit a trade if you did enter below that. Now, this isn't financial advice, but most often when we see a sell signal, that's when we're looking for the next moves down in the market. Now, if you want to get access to all of these metrics and more, including members-only content in the form of future forecast and Wisdom Wednesdays, along with trade setups that you can follow, you can find our membership at the links in the description. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it'll be this right here, the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page where you can get full access for $59 a month, and this will include all of these benefits, the members only content, including the future forecast and Wisdom Wednesdays. It'll give you access to those scalping trades, morning brew overview, and much more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and you'll be good to go. We really look forward to trading with you, and with that, let's check out those live charts. Back on the one-day time frame with Ethereum using the TC top and bottom finder price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion indicators, we can see here that Ethereum almost tested the ascending resistance line here. Didn't quite reach it, but I think we're going to count that as a test and rejection here. There's also this ascending resistance line that we had from basically like way back here, even before 2023. And at this point, that was the main resistance that was rejected and we are moving back down from. The price versus while money flow got about halfway up before moving back down, showing that whales did move money into the market as this happened and have begun moving money back out. And where whale money goes, the price is going to go to most often. Now, the trend exhaustion bottomed out and rose at the same time, but it looks like the trend did exhaust pretty quickly at this point. And honestly, Ethereum is actually staying within a pretty tight boundary on the trend exhaustion. So it's not atypical as of looks like early February right here for that to happen. As the coins continue being more and more volatile, I think this range will improve. However, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame like we are now, we see the price versus while money flow and trend exhaustion bottomed out, went all the way to the top and topped out here, and began moving back down pretty much in line with the daily time frame as well. But this shows much clearer that we did reach the top. At this point, as the price moves down, I think it'll be time to look for structured supports as whale money continues flowing out of the market. Before we get into final price predictions though, I want to let you know how you can get access and up to $450 off all of these indicators. There's actually 11 indicators in total that you can get. In order to grab those indicators at the cheapest price, again, links will be in the description below. Hit show more. It'll be the very top one right here, the indicator sale. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the indicator sale page. There is only 3 days left. This ends on St. Patty's Day. March 17th. In order to get the best possible deal, you'll actually want to grab the bundle pack first using code SAVEME50. This will give you $50 off, and on top of the trend exhaustion and price versus one money flow and 7 other indicators here, you'll actually get a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder, totaling that $450 off. Now, purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon and that $50 off coupon is cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder itself. And remember, this sale ends at 5 p.m. on March 17th, Pacific Standard Time to be specific. So what are you waiting for? Grab the indicators at this discounted price before time runs out. It's lifetime access for a one-time payment and full dedicated email support. So if you ever have any questions, please feel free to email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. With that, let's get back into the price predictions. Back on the 1-day time frame here, the first structure support I'm looking at is right here, right in the dead center of this broadening triangle pattern at $1,589. I think we're honestly going to test this today. With the crypto market falling as it is, I wouldn't be shocked to see that happen. I think that's going to be the very first structure support that we test, followed quickly by right here at $1,500 just for the whole numbers theory. If the price does break this right here, I think $1,500 is the next structure support that we need to be paying attention to. Now, this could take a few days. I think this will likely test within either today or tomorrow, but if we do fall down here, I think it could take honestly into next week before we really see that price. Now, we have had a lot of bearish sentiment in the market with banks closing down, and there is a possibility of more closing down soon. So that is why I want us to be paying attention to that $1,500 level. We'll keep everyone updated no matter what happens. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.